Hi folks, welcome inside our showroom here at Orleans Boat World. Today's feature, we're going to be talking about the 2022 XT21, brand new, one of a kind, because there's not a lot of these in stock anywhere in Ontario and Quebec right now. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of this XT21. The XT line is the perfect crossover towboat, from wakeboarding to surfing to skiing. Quickly right now, how we dressed up this XT21, guys. We opted for the rear seat observer, which flips back into its normal position for any type of sport. The XT21 and all of the XT line for 2022 have brought a lot of optional upgrades in standard. One of these is the clamps instead of the bungee cords. They've added colored billet. The jump seats are now available. Tons of options that are standard now into this XT21. Please visit our website for more details. Make sure to book an appointment with one of our boat specialists. Thank you.